What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and today we're going to continue on with our 2020 GSXR 1000 project. Hey, if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us YouTubers out. Let me go ahead and show you what we got going on today. The swing arm is back from powder coat. We just got all this back this morning, and now we're going to be pulling the arm off the stock wheelbase GSXR 1000, making it a little longer, a little stronger. Just started taking a few things loose now. We're going to show you how this process works getting this off. I'm going to do a little modifications to the shock. We're going to test fit the Penske air shock, and then we're going to send that back to Penske to have them finalize the build and set it all up to our specs. And this thing should be, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, maybe ready to go to the track this weekend. We'll see. Stay with us, guys. Here we go. Thanks. Another project we're working on today, Project H2. We're doing the clutches in this thing, upgrading the clutch springs, and then we're also going to be doing some carbon fiber wheels. This thing is going to be sick when it's finished. And this is a local customer's, I guess you would say, street bike. He does a lot of roll-ons. He's actually king of the highway around here. So this is Vic's H2. If you've never seen inside of H2, take a quick second, just show you a little bit about what this thing is. This there is a lot of stuff going on inside of Kawasaki H2. So this is a supercharged unit. You see back behind here, these are actually the supercharger gears. So the way the supercharger works on this bike is the supercharger unit is here. It gets its airflow right here. So this is the ram air tube that comes along down through here, straight from the front of the bike. Behind this cover is the actual supercharger, I guess you would say turbine inlet. It kind of sort of looks like a turbo when you take this off, but the way it works, it takes its air in, and then it's actually engine driven. So as the crankshaft and basically the engine turns, there's a gear here on the back of the clutch basket, which has a chain and then turns a gear here in the supercharger. And that's how this centrifugal or supercharger system works. The higher you rev it, the more boost it makes, you know, the faster it turns the supercharger. Now, we have actually replaced the gears on this supercharger. So the same way you would change the sprockets on your wheels to change your gear ratio, you change the sprockets on this supercharger to make more boost. So this one is actually cranked up pretty good. It's got H2R cams. It's got a lot of saying. The motor's been out. I mean, it's been worked through. This thing is definitely 300 plus horsepower, 220 plus miles per hour on the street. This thing is a super badass bike. So anyways, I just want to give you a quick peek of that. BJ's going to be doing the clutch in it, and then the wheels should be here just any time now. We're going to be doing the wheels and the worldwide ceramic bearings on it to increase his, I guess you say, lighten this thing up. These are very heavy bikes. They look lightweight, lots of carbon fiber, but they are heavy. So anyways, we're going to try to lighten it up, get it to roll better, make some more power, get the clutches to hold. This thing should be ready for the street soon. All right, guys, so we got the swing arm off, and we got a disaster zone. You see how much goes into one of these things? There is bolts and parts and tools everywhere. But the swing arm is off. That's what it looks like inside, all nice and neat and clean. well, here we go. Time to put the swing arm on. Hope you guys been enjoying this process. You've probably been enjoying it more than me. Ain't gonna lie. Got a few busted knuckles. Said a few wordy dirds. Thing almost whooped me. But we're gonna get it done, and we're gonna get it done today. Here we go. Alright guys, so I got a little piece of tape here on the wheel. We've got the brake rotors off, but the ceramic bearings are in. I want to show you how it spins. So this thing will pretty much sit there and spin forever. And you see I didn't even really give it a hard spin. Do the back one the same way. No chain, no brake, no nothing. These ceramic bearings are literally the jam. I literally just, it's not like I spun that as hard as I could. I just gave it an easy spin. It's not a fair comparison. So we got a bike with 0 miles, brand new brake pads. The brakes are gonna hold it back a lot. As you can see, that back wheel is still spinning like crazy. Worldwide wheel bearings, only 400 bucks. Last you for the lifetime of your bike. And turn like no tomorrow. I mean, like literally I just stop it with my finger and you see how easy it rotates back. One finger. Spin for days. Alright guys, I gotta get this thing buttoned up. We're almost ready. Alright guys, finally, this is actually day 2 of the Project 1000, but we have finally got it ready. Take a look. There we go. The 2020 GSXR little 1000. Little longer, little stronger. So anyways, we got the DME swing arm installed. We got the ceramic bearings installed. We got the new chain in. We got the chain roller on. We got the shock adjusted. We got the Brock's window lowering link. We got the new Vortex sprockets. We got the Brock's kickstand. We got pretty much everything buttoned up. I do not have my air shifter yet. The air shifter did not come in. All this whole project kind of came together fairly quick. I did not have quite all my parts. I got the lower profile front tire. That low profile front tire, by the way, not safe for street use. Okay, so this is a 90/80/17. I would not recommend riding that tire on the street. It's too low profile. It's too flimsy. I mean, that's a track only use and you got to be super careful with it even at that point. But anyways, this thing is finally finished. Kind of get you a side profile shot. I got one more mod I wanted to show you. We're going to be putting in a full spectrum Pulse P9 battery. This battery has 360 cold cranking amps, where the factory battery has 190 cold cranking amps. So we're going up almost double the power in juice in the battery, but we're also going to be shedding a lot of weight in this battery. Plus this battery, you can see it has a IPT reset. So basically, if we were to leave the key switch on the bike, which I don't plan to do, but anyways, if I did forget and leave the key switch on, once the battery voltage got to a certain point, that reset button would actually turn, basically like trip a breaker inside the battery and keep it from killing the battery. So that way, no matter what, we would still have enough juice to restart our bike. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that. And I've been promising this for a while now. We have got a new addition to the channel. That's right, guys. Camera girl. She's finally here. Her name is Kelly. Hey, Kelly is a racer as well. She has a 2017 GSXR 1000. But anyway, she's going to be helping us out in some of the videos from now on. I'm going to pass the camera off to her. We're going to swap these batteries out, and I'm going to show you the difference of the weight of the two batteries. So we're gonna get this battery out. This is the factory battery that the bike came with. I'm gonna remove this, and then we're gonna take it over here and put it on the scales and weigh it. And I'm gonna show you how much a difference one of these batteries can make. So in drag racing, we want to shed as much weight as possible. So we got the factory battery out. We're gonna take it over here and compare it to this battery. These batteries are the same physical size, but this battery is twice as strong. So let's go over here and weigh it. So we're gonna weigh the factory battery first. 6 pounds, 14 ounces. This battery, 2 pounds, 11 ounces. So we lost basically 4 pounds by swapping this battery. This is a super easy install. It's gonna get you more cranking power and lighter weight. Plus you get the safety feature of the reset button. All right guys, so we got the battery installed. That pretty well concludes today's video. Oh wait, so in the last video, I promised a free t-shirt to you guys. So this was the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll down here to the comments. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna keep scrolling a few times. And I'm gonna stop, put my finger on one. Whatever my finger lands, that's who's winning the t-shirt, okay? So it's loading the comments now. I'm scrolling with my eyes closed. Boom, that one right there. Let's see what we got. No comment will go right below it. Hell yeah, brother. That thing is getting rowdy. Jerry Bemo, you are the big winner. Congratulations. I'm going to put t-shirt winner. So anyways, there is the winner of the t-shirt. I will send you a message on Instagram. I do appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, that really helps in the YouTube. Also, like and comment. Kelly is super nervous about being on camera. So let's give her a warm welcome to the channel. Let her know that you guys like the addition. She's actually wanting to start being involved with the videos a little sooner, as soon as the track opens. She's gonna have her bike. She wants to be racing. She wants to be YouTubing. She wants to be right here with us. So let her know, give her a warm welcome to the channel. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.